you to be considered as part of our knowledge enhancement. And really, I'm very hats off and applause for your program organized. I congratulate on behalf of my personally and the whole and soul overall the gathering here. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to be proceed before. I would like to take a thank you the organizer, first and the foremost, the authority of the PSG College of Arts and Science, the management, and the head of the department, Dr. T. Revati, and the organizer and the coordinator, Dr. S. Selvi, and the Madam D. Mohanapriya, and all the team. Together, everybody achieve more. And that shows very clearly because of a very good strength of a gathering and what not we expecting. And just I would like to share my PPT, and before proceeding, how we can see today an era of all sort of a communication paradigm. We are getting a flow of an information from the man-made machine, which is basically my instruction to all, my request with all the gathering. Kindly better you switch off your camera as well as the audio. Any queries, finally you can get back to me. Myself also, I'll just go audio because we are using heterogeneous environment, because in which way the system of a network available, you can find out the vendors also, proprietary also, available resources also, n number. But one and the other way, we can easily find various other environmental conditions. Probably we can find a noise. In order to avoid that one, we can make sure such a way that we can gather. I hope my voice is audible to all gathering. Madam?
Sir, it is audible, sir. It is audible, sir.
Thank you. Because I'll just share my slide. Then I'll proceed for my presentation. Then, is it okay, visible, my slide? My slide is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'm so happy to take on a challenging, because they initially started going with the very excellent like a conference, and later because of in which the nature gives us to be accept. And they were never make a full stop, but they consider such as part of how we can initiate and motivate and inspire to the gathering. Really, they taken into a spiritual manner and as part of like innovative idea, the international seminar which are going to be take place. Ladies and gentlemen, see, computer is basically a common sense machine, is an optimal one, is a materialistic one, is a performance one, is a universal one, is a resourceful one, and a time sense one. Today, we used to treat a personality, understand, without a computing knowledge, you have to treat him as an illiterate. You forget 2-3 decades back. Nowadays, we have to be come across even a technological aspect which is related to communication paradigm. If you know, even though day to day, how we are ourselves eating and sleeping and doing our day-to-day activities without a communication, without a network is very, very impossible. But likely to be understand the reality, who are all the responsible person, even though our own language, mother tongue, in which way you are coming from the great heaven and reaching from the birth of a mother and finally reach and see what not we are able to get through the idea of the whole and soul of within the sky and the above the floor, and need to be see, we don't know, the fate is different, but try to be understand ourselves where exactly you are finding, because a man-made machine is available to us. Without the direction of the man, we can't find any sort of a problems also, solution also. But the technology by decades, the changes will happen in an exponential manner, in a random fashion manner, and try to gather a services such a way that how makes over a changing and improving a little day-to-day activities, which results, correct now, today you are seeing everywhere like a smartphones are there, smart IDs are there, smart city is there, smart home is there, and you are coming from the smart computer, supercomputer also. But how best These are likely to be events which are going to be gathered. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking my talk which related because we are all computer science professionals, even though today not only computer science professionals, everybody, and non-computer science professionals also, non-IT people also, non-IT professionals also, how the entrepreneurs they used to be. We are not part of like a C programming. You coming from the ADA programming, Pascal programming, Fortran programming, C programming, C++ programming, and hello, how the level of changes. I'm taking a challenge because present a technological aspect in which way you need not to be worried. If you have a laptop, if you have a laptop, if you have a desktop, if you have a computer, if you have a computer, a small mainframe, and even though from our palm itself only we can see the world. How best way? Because you have to visualize. You need not to be think about is only from the C program, C++ programming, but enrich a knowledge which dictated, understand, is it possible to provide an extensive knowledge to the society? That is a technology, what the programming language come across. I'll give my a complete option which relates how best way, the overview of the Python programming, why exactly need a Python programming, what the popularity behind it today, why most of the people, correct? Not only, even the technological aspects, the improved version, we can see most of the advanced buzzwords which are there, cloud computing era, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, whatnot, is it which are going to be focused mainly from this programming? Why can't from the C, C++, and Java? You are not in a position to find www.java.com. But how best way, which are available in a graphical user interface? Today, Android, iOS, whatnot, the different type of a proprietary of the products are available. I'll give a complete, a clear framework about what's the overview of that one, what is exactly the Python, how the popularity of that one, what are the frameworks which are available today. We are seeing, correct now, if we take any sort of an application development, which are through the cellular phone of a partner mobile device, how best way, the design aspect which related to what sort of AP, application programming interfaces, user-friendly graphical user interface, need not worry, correct now, you can find out what man, a layman can easily through a graphical user interface, never come across the Python program, but how the basic bound value representation, some sort of a weightage and the popularity comes. And what are the standard application? And today you see that one with respect to the security, cyber security, cryptography, blockchain. And similarly, you can think about how the command application, so machine learning application, audio video application, game application, so business application today. And similarly, what not the use cases using Python languages. So I'll give some sort of a trends later 2020 what we today, because we are seeing how the applications which are one by one, because the technology which we have seen that one every day-to-day activity because of the lot of revolution, evolution taken place from the smartphones, because we are all smart and enriching a knowledge and need not to worry about. We can get from the most of the signal representation from the smart devices, and we are using a smart card, all sort of what is the day-to-day. Correct? Not today, like a digital locker, and similarly how the e-cash, everything, correct? All the things, a smart devices enrich the knowledge with the help of like a smartphone, so supercomputers, so and what the intelligence factors. See, artificial intelligence basically found to be provide an exact flow. How we can say early morning you get up and you do your own day-to-day activity. Machine is to be give a very clear picture. How what sort of an input you have to be enhanced to the system. Then it looked like artificial intelligence. A lot of amazing various sort of an application. Now we would like to utilize this technology. We have to develop different programs, especially a cellular phone and a mobile application, created by programming language, correct? No, which were there. Today, even though Python is available, you're using a Turbo C, GNU compiler, C compiler, C++. But how the popularity comes? Because various other type of developers cleared very clearly. If you come across like a programming approaches like a top-down programming, bottom-up programming, a top programming approaches which enhanced later 2019, beating most of the aspects of the Java programming. That's why like object-oriented programming and the architecture independent, and in which we can go for the different facility which are through. How the popularity come Python? Because of mobile app developmental process. Great extension, what we are seeing today. Mention a little knowledge which relate towards regarding how the Python apps using Android application, kind of application, what we can easily build upon on any sort of a devices. Ladies and gentlemen, see, if so happening, is it possible to, why you are not gather most of the steps we studied from the C or C++ or Java programming? Questions will arise. What exactly the Python? Even though C++ is an object-oriented programming and Java is an interpreted programming, bytecode level of a programming, but all things, modular approaches, which were happen to be, all combined together, concatenation combined together, most of the steps like a procedural programming, object-oriented programming, modular programming approaches, and none other than incredible level of what we are going to be doing is study of a data structures. Because we would like to go with like any sort of a list to queues to linked list to representation of a linear and nonlinear data structure, which are basically some sort of correct number of lines of a code, graphical user interface, but incredible built-in data structure, which are going to be combined together, provide not only the typing and binding, provide an hassle-free application development program. You can say like standard level of a scripting level and glue level language, several components all combined together, which are going to be enriched insight level of a programming approaches which come across. Now, first and the foremost, which is very, very simple. Even though we need not to be come across any English known personality can easily understand what is going to be a Python is going to be create a miracle. That's why it's a very easy and simple to learn. Very easy level of a syntax semantic, supports for readability, reduces the expenses of incurred the program maintenance. It also having a different favors of modules of a packages, which provide a promote modularity, and even though what we are develop such a way that we can go for reusing, we can call it as code reusability, and also important aspect of the Python is favors of cross-platform, making Python is ideal for mobile because whatever ourselves doing, the information which are going to be executable, a bytecode and the objective program I can run on any of the machine which are, that's a cross-platform, which indicates if you are developing in the OS of like Iris, OS of like a Unix, OS of like a Microsoft, we can exhibit on Apple Mac, correct? No, need not worry. That's a cross-platform. Is a compatible of the programming language, and also it's going to be play a crucial role in spreading popularity like a wide free. We can find out such a way that, but who are all responsible for this one? A great personality or to be applause. Guido van Rossum introduced a time during 1991, a progress enriched knowledge, even though he given a very clear page of February. Later, a birth of a Python programming, object-oriented, adaptive very effectively, and readable form, and how which goes formulate a bottom-up approach to leading to the professional to understand not only for just a syntax semantics of a programming language meant for only the mathematical application. We can design, enrich with respect to the deliver various God internet web application. And moreover, today what we are seeing like a data exhibit today like a big data is combination of composing values of zeros and ones, big data, and you can find out a various level of high performance databases which related, correct? Now, if you use like a Oracle, DB, SQL, and similarly focus, whatnot. You have to pay a lot of money. But in order to go for filtering, in order to go for report generation, as some sort of a PLSQL, SQL, MySQL, latest, these are all various flow of an information. That's why the Python is enriching a big flow to the environment. Why Python become so popular today? See, it shows very clearly Python code is easy to read and understand. Is it possible? You can see how the code approaches which are the rules and the syntax and a developer express the real concept without additional code. Need not to be worried. If some simple at the complex level are deemed to be suitable, any person who are well known to the English can easily understand how we can go with the concatenation and how we can go for readable and the code reliability and the just only with respect to the language approaches instead of how the factors make perfect for mobile applications, the customized level applications, moreover, how the developer provide an extra. And the second thought, which really is very fast, it's a quick. That's why you say Python is a very quick. It's added to the interpreter and runs them directly. Need not wait for a time. Just it will provide it. No compiling, which happens to be almost all other correct. No, it will take even Java C, Java compiler, bytecode you have to be. Here, a Python code, quick to hands-on, provide a feedback, whatever the code recognizing, even though any sort of today, like a Jupyter, you can make use a charm, whatever it may be, the environmental of a graphical user interface, finish and execute a set of programs which are available, run them faster, and we make a comparison, same sort of a executable environment. We can find the time complexity is very, very fast. That's why Python is very quick and fast mode. And Python is more compatible. See, today we have not only just Intel, Pentium, Motorola, whatever it may be, a system which are going to be highly compatible of the operating system, a set of instruction packages which are available for managing, maintaining, monitoring a different type of resources. That is the operating system. You can see that when Android, iOS, and Windows, Python, whatever the take n number of we compile correct now, you can make such a way that how the coding approaches which are available. And that is the main advantage and the compatibility of heterogeneous environment. And also the Python interpreter to use and run the code across a different platform and tools. Many number of which possible to run on the same code across multiple platform, and also we can make sure such a way that how the app code without the need for the compilation need not be. What will happen? Suppose you are taking a C programming of a turbo C.exe. We can't run on the GNU compiler, what we are using like a Ubuntu or the Red Hat Linux or the whatnot, the Multics and the Linux operating system. But here essentially the recompilation is not at all required. A quick impact changes made in the code that do instantly, and as in which way the demand and the priority of the user, they can choose a choice. Which one is available? They can make sure such a way that they get into the environment, exhibit that one, and they can easily execute. And much more, the facilitates test-driven development. That means to say, any sort of a prototypes of application which are going to be easier, all thanks which are in which way the Python apps development. Today, it supports a development and which are available, a build application directly from the prototypes. Refactoring because how you can make use for the application in a prototype. The protocol strategies, coding and testing can now, we can go hand by hand. And that means to say, whatever the changes you look forward in a prototype, if you would like to add for an abstract, you would like to go for changes of a primitives, you have to go within that one. Need not to be come out on the session and there. That is, it has adopted a methodology called TDD. That means to say how the test-driven development, we can call it as how the program of the Python is going to be supported. A strong standard library. Enrich. Today, a pretty robust standard library you can find out from the Python. Edge over compared to the number of programming languages which selects a different type of a modules as per our requirements. We can go for functionalities and you can process without that extra coding aspects also. We can find out such a way that suppose writing for the web application, you can go for the module development in order to implement a user interface, a graphical user interface, OS interface, how we can divide driver, correct, whatnot, we can just browse through. You can find out a vast level of a Python library, even gather information in a different module approaches. And today, like what we specify like a big data is another emerging technology. So one of the most used programming language, and it's going to be development. And because of how the processors huge number of library work on a big data, because how the variety, velocity, how the various veracity of the program, voluminous of the data available is a very easy to handle for analysis and also the processing of the data and the faster. A big data project compared with other programming language and making much more popularity and develop and over the global environment. And strong supportive community and corporate sponsor. Today you see that one, any industry, any entrepreneur, any MNC, who are all gathered, prominent implement decide to popularity and any programming, how the unlike many number of languages today, a Python programming is a very active community, providing such a way that guides a number of tutorials, forums of a documentation for better understanding how, where you can incorporate, where you can justify the project, where you can go for the proposal. Moreover, having a sponsor like a Google. Today you see that one, how the popularity, enhancing in order to develop. You see that one multiple number of tools which are available in a Google, you can find out all because of the standard level of a programming. We might be come across, like if you choose an option, a framework for apps today, like we can find out like Instagram, Pinterest, Spotify, and Dropbox, and Uber today, in which way they used to be traveling, Reddit. These are the standard frameworks for the various apps development using popularity because of Python programming. Still, in order to see some of the standard application built using Python, we can go one by one such a way that Django, Flask, Web2Py, Pyramid, and CherryPy. See what will happen in case of a Django is a high level and open source Python programming framework. Because of we are going to be make use for a web app development, providing actually different features. How the user client server concept of that one, we are not in a position to find CJ, common gateway interface at all. How the PHP applicable, correct? Create a complex code and Python web applications effectively make use. If a standard level of features make one of the best framework for Python is authentication mechanism. See, once you use like HTTP Amazon.com, immediately go for the online transaction like a ECS, similarly NEFT2, similarly RTGS, whatever it may be, HTTP become HTTPS, how that one is going to be authenticated. Confidentiality, integrity, and the availability, these are the mechanism. Of course, one of the standard level of the popularity of this one application is called Django. And the database key migration implements today, like how the module approaches of the tables and the template engines which are available. That is one of the best framework with the help of a Django. Similarly, another extremely reliable Python framework is a Flask, developed by Ginia and WarpJob, denoted by micro framework because which happened to be a RESTful request dispatching considered to be a part of ideal options, small projects too. And we can see that one, how for the big project which are going to be enhanced for extreme level. Similarly, Web2 Python, one of the most popular framework of a Python for a mobile application. Today, we are seeing most of the private banking sectors, so national banking sectors. So if you see any sort of today, like how the pandemic situation, number of application development will come. loaded with a debugger and a deployment of a tool which are enhancing from the Python programming, which helps a developer a standard level of a debugging, a building the code effectively, along with a standard level of a testing with an apps. And you can see Web to Python is a cross-platform framework. It is a compatible with Macintosh OS, Windows OS, Linux, Multics, whatnot. You can Sun Solaris, Iris, Android, etc. What that means to say, if you are developing a client and the server-based concept, you can exhibit, you can execute, you can enhance knowledge. It follows the model with controller design, one element which impresses the developer most of the framework component that uses a ticket. Correct now today, how we can get a IRCTC code.in. We can read bus. We can find out most of the application today available because of Web2 Python. And the next one, which relates to pyramid frameworks, which are going to be developed, application development that works incredibly, both easy and complicated applications of Python. Useful in creating a multiple number of prototypes of an application, and also which are going to be developed, cheap various application projects, APIs. We can say majority of the application programming developers provide a framework simply for transparency, high quality features which are available. One of the other features, which are mentoring, a transversal framework and mapping of uniform resource location. You can see the GP, yes, global positioning system coding aspects, easier to create RESTful APIs. In fact, some of the technological industries, especially Mozilla, Dropbox, Yelp, which are going to be make use this pyramid application using Python. And Cherry Python, another important developmental framework is Cherry Python, open source framework that is highly capable, able to handle and own multi-struct server. A framework especially features like setup framework, threadful web server, and a module-based framework development. Moreover, which having a particular specific a template engine going to be created and provide a developer to utilize a different technologies such as accessibility, templating, whatnot, making it a preferred choice of developer to build a number of applications using Python. And if so happening today, a real-time application, whatnot, if you see the multiple number of framework strategies, today, how the cybersecurity approaches, attacking or hacking, and you can find out some of the standard applications built in Python approaches like a blockchain. Probably you're going to be understand the reality, what the blockchain, what way, correct, no? The providing an information in the afternoon session. It's one of the hottest trends of a decade, correct, today, the technological market. You can find out like a development of selling peas. However, it provided literally made it because of very understandable language. The process of building application, providing a lot more facilities which are there in the Python, especially for blockchain management development applications, which employs a framework like a Flask. Developer can use hypertext protocol, request to the interactor, and also the blockchain over the internet. Create the endpoint which provide a distinct functionality of the blockchain. How the correct instant level of the programming approach. Developers are also able to run the scripts on multiple machines for developing a decentralized network, a distributed environment, various other help with the help of a Python programming, one of the important application blockchain. Similarly, command line application. Today, you can see read, evaluation, print loop, REPL. Command line application, which are going to be exhibit and executable only from the console. And how best way it is a computer program created to utilize from the command line or in front of the dollar symbol, C shell, corn shell, barn shell, does not have any graphical user interface. From there itself on, so you can find out the reality of how we can understand the facility and the programming approaches to be readily available. Python is deemed to be a suitable language for such a command line application because of REPL. you can say readable evaluation print loop feature, which enables developers to evaluate the language and identify new possibilities. And also the language is available globally. A top application development companies see that one free Python library that can be used for building a command apps or command line applications. And later we can find out like audio video applications. Creating like MP3 related, similarly combined together like a JPEG, combined together like a MP3, other types of a combination of audio and the video application, Python provide an excellent app development. Since the internet is loaded with an audio and video content, we can make use, analyze most of the stuff which are available. Some Python libraries like PyDub, OpenCV provide an extensive knowledge of successful completion of audio video applications using Python programming. And today, like a YouTube, what we are finding in a global environment that created using Python only underlying. So, which provide a lot of effectiveness, incredibility of the language, delivering multiple number of applications with an high performance. And how the entertainment programming approaches like a game application development, we say game app development, TikTok, correct? For all the programming, gaming approaches, online, only Battlefield created using Python, Battlefield like we can find out like add-on application functionalities, word approaches which are there, basically majority of the features. So you can find out like a Caribbean, Disney Pirates, Panda, some of the standard packages which are available in Python, Panda, 3D game engines, and ultimately which provide a different level of an apps with the help of Python. Developers can easily facilitate, create a rapid game prototypes, and Pygame, Python can be used to test them in real time. Suppose what sort of samples are there, how we can make sure such a that game start to 3, 2, 1. We can find some of the correct time bound. Additionally, game development can also use create game designing tools, and also you can go for processing those, and you can find out various dialog tree management level of a designing approaches which goes one to another. See, after going through that one, suppose overall the super user, is it possible to make use like a Python pro? Okay, no problem. System administration applications. Today, tedious system admin task can give their thousands of tasks to be completed and see how data is to be manageable. Application, a number of vast level of an information. Not only that one, how we can user management to file management to disk management to various other type of a resource management to how we can make a memory management to primary virtual memory, all sort of things which related to the system administrator. Also, we can use a Python, especially creating a system administration application which allows like how they communicate with the operating system via various type of kernel modules are there, shell modules are there, programming modules are there, user interface modules are there, and we can exhibit and execute and be currently running, and finally can find out input output operation to be accessible includes a simple reading and writing to the file system. Today, you might be come across like a standard level of a file management system. Network file system, similarly how which are going to be Hadoop level, HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system, how best way the Python is going to be able to provide a standard level of tools. And none other than the standard real time, what the buzzword like a machine learning application. Inspiring technological buzzword trend to be decade, what you call like a machine learning. If you take some sort of a training data, supervised, unsupervised, and many number of an algorithm technological aspects, piece to be data and through the operating system, enable them make a very intelligent decision, creating an application with the help of ML. A tricky task, correct? No, but with the help of a Python programming, the applications which are available, especially standard libraries like Pandas, Scikit for a machine learning that are available to market for freely available tool can use a standard level of a GNU license. Under a general purpose license, we can show that one pandas and scikit. And similarly, NLP, natural language, one of the branch of machine learning, enabling how to analyze, manipulate, understand how our language is going to be interpreted, understand from the machine once again, how the Dutch, French, a number of a different type of algorithm, a syntax, semantic, coding. Similarly, how the parser generation, how the code generator, how the compilation process, which are going to be, what sort of a tuple generator, correct? Now we can through a number of algorithms, a standard level of NLP toolkits, which are, we can say, basic knowledge of Python. A developer can create a machine learning apps which are highly competent and much more available, effective libraries. And you say that one today, a marketing application, financial application, online transaction, we can call it as business application. A Python is highly supports the practicality, agility, and is going to be developed a numerous kind of application. Why Python also? ERP, enterprise resource planning, e-commerce application development solution, Odoo, ODOO, that is one of the standard all-in-one management. A tool, a software packages written by Python, written with the help of Python, and provide a wide range of a business farming, all sort of a suite of application, and also the application which are built using Triton, which is a three-tier general purpose high-level application, not two-tier, three-tier general purpose high-level application of Triton with the help of Python. We create a standard apps and a Python, which is a company, is what we can choose. And some of the use cases today, with the help of how we can go for develop a web and software development, is very simple and easy to. What we say that one, Python is very simple and easy to understand. Complicates. If you go for designing internet and the web developmental software, making process much more efficient, a charming features of compatibility integrate with other programming languages, making it more flexible options. Today, need not worry, integrate at any level. I can find out what some effective frameworks, what I specify, like a Django, Pyramid, assist the developers a standard level a software development, enable them to create web application from scratch, beginning, even though need not go like HTML, XML, and WML, whatnot, the apps which relate, correct? No, the script level program. But Python also supports numerous internet protocols, including extensible markup language, JSON, and the HTML. Instagram is one of the applications today, what we are seeing, create with the Django, Python program. And ultimately, what we are seeing, like optical character recognition, image processing. It's amazing ability to object detection and find out biometric applications, Aadhaar card, passport, correct, or where we are seeing all sort of image, how we can identify the user authentication with the help of wide range of libraries such as PyTeras. This is one of the useful for optical character recognition. Similarly, TensorFlow for object detection, the Python image library, PIL for image processing, number of packages which are going to be game highly efficient for developer to create a self-contained deep learning and computer vision capabilities. And you can see the automated testing also. When it comes to the automated testing, a choice is left to the user in which way they used to be see that productivity, a project enhancement. Automated testing is the process of execution of the apps. Number of features, script rather than a human being. In this regard, Python along with Selenium, web-based automation tool provides say, a standard level of a library tools to perform automated tests. These tools are also known as, we can find out, continuous integration and continuous deployment. You can say if you go for the automated testing, CI and CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. It can run, test, compile, and publish application along with how the incorporation deploying at any moment of a coding through during the time of production. And web crawler, a spider bot, typically we can call it as a duplicate copy of whatever you are say, cache mail, visited page, World Wide Web, which preparing how best way search engine happen to be. Index the downloaded pages and render faster researches. Web crawler, automated maintenance tasks on a website. For example, how it's going to validate HTML code. Considered to be ideal for creating spider darts because of a simple, a fast code, and due to the availability of impassable libraries, we can say web crawlers, one of the standard level. And finally, today, what we are seeing, some standard level of a Python trends. Need not worry. These days, later 2020, many websites that are created utilizing the facility of Python program. Indeed, today in mainstream aggregations, you can find out a strong application like a Python, using Python only. And programming language for a future to come, you say that one, especially for the business, information technology, a massive growth which will happen later, like 6, 7 years or 8, 10 years. New programming language, which goes to be trends, give a very real shape, a universe for innovation consistently in the form of continuity and also the changing universe of innovation. One thing has to be stayed more reliable. Indeed, probably speculated the most reliable programming language, none other than Python programming. And today, a media, what we are seeing like a social network, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, Uber, utilizing a built-in developmental application which are highly compatible to the mobile application, progressively very, very instinctive today. A huge organization, correct, no, today, hire Python developers like experts, a development, various number of activities, report what he says later, 1 year, 2 years back, the reputation of the Snipset development and expanding a number of clients. And you can find out various strategies and the distinction of which are going to be happen later 2020 and later 2021 also. And but provide because a number of resources which are gathering from the Python web development. And assist very clearly understanding different current Python trends. Before getting to the what we have come across like a Python programming, I'll give a top 8 Python trend that is going to be my talk, is going to be wind up. Programming technologies are inadequate without Python. Programming technologies are inadequate without Python. Affinity, a consistently work with the present technology like artificial intelligence, what we are seeing the buzzword of a data science, a networking, big data, cloud computing, machine learning, deep learning, henceforth, what we are going to be henceforth. Inventive developer, anticipating work, a facility of the work which are gaining from the programming technology with the help of a Python program. In this field, some of the highlights of this program like get into themselves, incomplete without Python. Today, how the cookies which are going to be, and the second one which consistent integration with other programming language. A significant leeway and also the profit from the integration framework in Python and different systems. Extensible, which implies can code IFFs and also another programming. Consequently, utilize a plug into the big business application. Today, what we observe, correct, no, multiple number of data related application, what we are seeing like webinar, which are going to be developed with the help of various type of application oriented, which are much more integrated with the help of other programming language, but master is always a Python. Cloud computing source high-end with Python. And so now, like software as a resource, so infrastructure as a resource, so platform as a resource, so can consider part of like a private and the public cloud hold a huge level of a significance in a least challenging. And you can see that by challenging performance considered to be most well-known cloud empowerment languages. Google in numerous today what you are seeing, correct? Now, once you see that on Google Drive, you can get into the Google, you can find out various different type of flavors of the facilities and numerous undertaking great programming application because of the cloud of a source. High with help of program. Python proves to be a basic in the academic world. Today, we need not to be get through that one. And none of them, correct? No, today we start with any sort of a programming which related to like computer science or the information technology will not at all going to be C, C++. We'll go directly to the Python. A language scholars demonstrates greatness and uniqueness and expanding its own enriching knowledge. State of harmony and most of recent technologies, easy to use and understandable, learn capability within a short period of a time, and course material, amateur of a developers, and you can find out numerous developers who are today learn themselves, who know outside need not to be assist. Correct? You can find out www.python.com. We can find out a documentation which relates. That means it's a popularity, not which initiated from the USC and the other overseas. Today, any of the university, any of the education institution, any of the certificate entrepreneur, they used to be enhanced with an academic world of programming of Python. Being a free, you can see that one, how the open source and the cross-platform message helps in pushing Python and more a top priority. You can see that one more various. First and the foremost priority options, which enhance free of cost, encourage a fledgling developer to give many tries, correct? No need not to be as a no cost included, which supports a compatibility, architecture independence, integrity, and also how which are going to be cross-platform development, quick to give it in a hand. It is a open source. Nature enable network individuals or to Python is always a betterment to the society once you go for choosing our developmental work. A Python of a data analysis. Today, you see that one medical application type of a image processing, similarly audio recognition, video recognition, how we can find a fraud, how we can find out like a vulnerabilities, how we can find out like attacking, various other type of a status of an information of a project. There, the data analysis, automation of flexibility. One of the great trends today, easy to use of a nature. It helps a developer modify the code to run even faster than before, which are keep on adding applicable patches, and you can enhance easily even though same code, how we can go for getting a time complexity better. And using it, a lot of versatility, use their creativity. In addition to that one automation, you can take 50% of the developers are willing to work with a Python programming. Also, it is expected to be like increase even more also. And easy of the adoption. That means to say today, not only the education and the institution, not only the standard level of academic universities, IT industries, think to be a technological never stops, a continuous changes in which with the global encouragement nature of the IT industry, upgrades are taking place in addition to the a different type of a steps which are going to be provided, various type of adoption. The new trends of a web developmental. Believe that today, even 2020, a versatile programming language which are going to be helpful for development of not only the educational institution, internet technology, and we can say web technologies also. And smooth integration with any programming language. Today, you can find out one and the other way, like how we can find out, correct now, a support of the interfacing, but you can easily amazing integration features by Python programming. Developers can be able to work seamlessly and web developmental project, and also option to code some part and rest in some other language. Also good option for beginners choose a developer as they can learn to use language better with partial change. We can find out. And finally, my conclusion is well establishment with itself underlying foundations of a software ecosystem and which accompanies more promising time which comes and later 2020. You can find out enhancement of an inside spec of a technological aspect which really provide a project for productivity, a straightforward terms, resembles lot for our whatever the food. Similarly, coding may get dull and we can use behind the equivalent and we can go with the right choice, none other than Python program. At present date, giving a solid challenges and contenders achieve greater prevalence at the beginning of the year and moreover, search the web, stay tuned and you can find out enhanced application development, really fast and more flexible. Versatility, and there are numerous types of libraries available for different kinds of application. The reason why we can find out a companies offer various type of a standard level of a programming language. Ladies and gentlemen, which shows very clearly, we can find out, need not worry. If we are very strong in multi-programming of a Linux, www.linux.org, a number of flavors we can find out, like a Red Hat, SUSE, Mandrake, Turbo, Ubuntu. Like that way, we can get into the resource of like a Python available, like a www.python.org, enormous, lifelong. One more era comes also not understanding what not, which are going to be in a position to readable, learnable, understandable, and developing a project. Dive into Python, you can go get into the dive into Python programming, a standard level of books which are orally publication, PHA publications are there, and you can go with a geoprocessing script which are available. Whatnot we can gain, everything is possible because of your patience and because you are time bound, because of how you can choose your choice with the programming language. And this is my talk. I'm very thankful to the listener and the organizer, and if any sort of a query, and I'll get back to you. Thank you, Professor Shelvi and Professor Revati and all the participants who are all available, assembled in this international seminar from the management of PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.
A kind and thought-provoking speech is a promise given to each. Your speech inspired every one of us to dream more, learn more, and become more. I thank you, sir. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. I request Ms. Rinsina to say a few words about Dr. S. Uma Devi.
It's my tremendous honor to introduce our guest of...
Please wait. Dear participants, if you have any doubts, you can ask sir regarding the session.
Any questions, let them ask, please. You can, I have given my complete address. You can kindly keep on touch with me. You can elaborate anything at any moment. I'll be available to you.
Nice presentation, sir.
It's my pleasure, Professor. It's my pleasure.
I have one doubt, sir. How the JSON architecture will be there in Python, sir?
Yeah, did you come across the client-server architecture, Pa?
JSON architecture.
No,
Yeah, I have.
See, we can find one is called a two-tier and the three-tier architecture. Model approaches.
Yes,
the client and the server, the web server as well as database server, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Among that one, you can find out, same as it is, like, because, say, once again, like interfacing mechanism, JDBC, ODBC.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No? You
Yes,
can
sir.
find out. 3-tier architecture model, you can get through that one. Once you are any sort of an information, how, see, we are a client. I'll give an example to you. If you are available, if you are making a Chrome or whatever your favorite engine, which are through, like you can call it as Explorer, www.amazon.com, correct? No? We are already registered entry. You can find out a database of that database server, which is a uniqueness how which are going to be log and the track of the information available. It's a 3-tier architecture. I don't want to be explained. It's a 3-tier architecture, globally, which give a very clear picture about that one, because the application with Java as well as object-oriented programming and the modular programming approaches, and you can find out various type of user interfaces also. Madam? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, one
Please.
more question. Slicing in Python. What is slicing in Python, sir?
You know that slicing up a cake?
Yes, sir.
What is slicing up? Because the combined together various other. See, we have like if you choose like a image processing application, if you choose like a natural language program, if you choose like a machine, correct? No, which is a part of that one, integrate. If you are getting to the environment of the platform of API, then you can choose your own choice. There is no correct, no, irresponsible of the level of the program. You can take any one of category of that one. You can choose and you can go for your developmental work, insight and knowledge-based environment. It's a package. A package consists of different modules, each module like a slice. Okay,
Thank
Pa?
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Tell me, any more questions from the great audience? If not, I am very thankful to the organizer and the esteemed institute, and special thanks to Professor Dr. T. Revati, Head of the Department of Computer Science of the PhD College of Arts and Science, and Dr. S. Shelvi, the coordinator, and Madam D. Mohanapriya, and all the team members who gathered and made a very successful event, which are going to be very useful, utilized for the global and more than 150 audience. Really, I'm very thankful. I have a good day, a wonderful, once again, enriched knowledge. Really, we'll see that one. Pray God for everything, a smooth of a pandemic. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. We have learned so much from you.
It's my pleasure, madam. It's my pleasure.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. I request Ms. Jyotsna to say a few words about Dr. S. Umadevi.
It's my tremendous honor.
Rinsina, session will be started by 11:15 by Uma ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it's
Okay,
break up to 11:15.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Professor Priya. Hello.
Tell me, sir.
You are going to recording this event, no?
Yeah, recorded only, sir. I'll send you, sir.
Okay, send all the details to me.
Oh, yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir. I'll send. Okay, sir.
Okay. Best wishes and congratulations to you once again, please.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your session, sir.
Shall I log out?
Yes, sir.
If any query, kindly just pass my information.